guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to verify Discourse account on your mobile phone. So first thing is you have to make sure you go to your Play Store, Apple Store, and you're going to search for Discord to actually first of all update the app. So once you see an update, you can update, but if you don't see it, you can just head ahead straight up to the app. So once you open up the app like this, you're going to go straight to your profile and click on your profile. You're going to see settings. Click on settings and you're going to see account. Click on account and right here you're going to see email. Click on your email, and if you don't have an email added, you can simply just add an email. Once you click on that, they're going to actually ask you to enter your password, and once you enter your password, you're going to have to actually they're going to send you an verification code on your Gmail, right? So once they send you that verification code, you have to input it and your account is going to be verified. Very simple and easy to do. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.